What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I am super pumped because I am going to be showing you guys a case from a case company that I am very a big fan of. I've been reviewing Vaja cases ever since the very first iPhone. Matter of fact, probably the third case review I ever posted on my YouTube channel was of a Vaja case for the very first generation iPhone. And so this is a company, in my opinion, makes the #1 best leather cases for devices. And like I said, I've been reviewing them for quite a few years now, and their quality has not gone down. In fact, I think it's kind of gone up a little bit, and they've stepped it up quite a bit. So we have the leather grip case here. So this one retails for 79 bucks. And so let me show you what's in here. We have some nice, like a leather little, we got like a tag, got some information. There's the case. It comes in like a nice little leather pouch. Actually, kind of like that pop of orange. Just leave that over here in the corner. And that is the case right there. And so this is the Vaja leather grip. So let's get some close-ups on this. So this is the Vaja leather grip case for the iPhone 11 Pro. They make it for the Pro Max and the regular 11, as well as other iPhone generations and other smartphones as well. So this one retails for 79 bucks, and so it's available in 8 different colors / grains. So these are the colors that are like you can purchase right off the bat for 79 bucks. If you want to do a completely custom case, you can customize the leather, the grain of leather. You can customize the outer color shell and the inner color on their website, and that's $109 if you want a completely custom case. And those take, I believe, 30 days for them to put those together. So these are handmade cases, handmade in Argentina. This leather is amazing. It smells like beautiful shoe leather. I don't know, for some of you that might sound weird, but I don't know, there's something about nice leather cases that's just like it's just super good quality. And this is completely handmade, these cases here. So like handmade in Argentina. This one is the Floater London is what this one's called. So it's like a light brown, but there's 8 other colors or 7 other colors you can pick from. And so basically it's a polycarbonate shell on the inside, like a real thin one, and that shell then hand wrapped with leather, premium leather. And then they have like a nice little metal accent down there with the logo on the bottom, as you can see. And so this case is compatible with Qi chargers, so you can still use the wireless charging on your phone and everything like that. So let's pop in the phone and show you guys the close-up details of it. So when we get to the side, we have one large opening, so you can get to the mute switch and the volume up and downs easily. Nothing's blocking it off. Get to the bottom right there. We have the the lightning connector, the microphone and the speaker, and this is one big opening right there. You can get a close-up shot of that branding right there, the Vaja. And then on the other side we have the sleep and wake button, and there's just another cutaway for that. Get to the back, we have the opening for the camera. No issues with bounce back on flash or anything like that, and then you can kind of see the thickness of the case. So it is very thin. It does not add much bulk to the phone at all. When you put it like this, keep in mind I do have a glass screen protector, but there is a slight lip on the case, as you can see right here. So when it is face down on the table, it's not really touching the glass of your phone, but you can see there it does have a slight lip. So this is like a really minimalistic style of case. Okay, this is going to protect the back of your phone from getting scratched up and getting dinged up. If you drop it, it has some good corner protection on all the different corners and such. And so it's overall just a really sharp looking case. I don't know, there's not much else I can say about it. And the fact that you can get a completely customizable one is pretty cool as well. So I cannot recommend it enough, guys. This is a really good quality case. I still have Vaja cases for like the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 6. Just because they're such nice cases, I feel bad throwing them away. I actually still have those in my office, just stored away in a drawer somewhere. But they're just good quality products. So I know $79 is quite a bit of money. It is expensive. I will admit that. But I feel like the leather, the quality of the product, the leather it's very good, high quality stuff. And like I said, I mean, I have cases still that I have to this day that are in still great shape and great condition. So it's kind of up to you guys to decide whether or not you feel that it's worth that price tag. But like I said, this is probably my #1 favorite leather case maker out there. So if you have any questions about this product, post them down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys as quickly as possible. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 other clips over here you can click on. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.